Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update today. So Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame is doing amazing again, and I think that we're starting to make in a nice beautiful uptrend to the upside. The downtrend that we had has been ended. The downtrend happened and then we broke the downtrend, retested, backtested. It looks very successful, very good. On top of that, you do have a bull cross right there at the moment, and from here I do hope that we start to see Bitcoin pushing all the way to the upside. Now, one more thing is that we do also have a left shoulder head and the right shoulder. So inverse head and shoulders has already been appeared. And if we take the trend line as well, drop the trend line, and the neckline is kind of getting broken up a little bit. And we could actually see Bitcoin move up to top to bottom right there. And we can actually expect Bitcoin to even push up to 63K at the moment. So previously I said 61K due to that technical target of the downtrend, and it now looks like 63K is on the cards at the moment. So that's pretty much an update that I wanted to make, very quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.